Biotics are everywhere in our ecosystem, and scientists have discovered these organisms' limitless possibilities throughout history. During the 1900s, scientists came upon the mode of action of lactic ferments. Following research done, history has proven the benefits of these natural bacteria, and now they're serving the beauty industry with its infinite power. Probiotics are fermentation agents naturally found in fermented food, like wine, cheese, yogurt, and even pickles. According to the ISAPP, probiotics are live microorganisms that confer a health benefit on the host when administered in adequate amounts. When it comes to the cosmetic industry, it can be extended to products derived from yeast or bacteria. BASF Beauty Care Solutions has been able to harness these beneficial attributes of natural probiotics and convert them into bioactives, which help to target specific skin concerns. BASF's probiotic solutions consist of probiotic ferments, Relipidium and Phytoferm Biotic, and the probiotic lysate Vitacell. These bio-based ingredients are one of the best natural solutions in the market. Relipidium is the probiotic ferment obtained by the fermentation of yeast extract with lactobacillus. It stimulates the skin's defense system and gradually rebuilds its barrier against dryness. It hydrates the skin and decreases transepidermal water loss, while rebalancing the microflora and stimulating beneficial microflora growth by 2.3 times on dry skin for its wellness. The other probiotic ferment, Phytoferm Biotic, is obtained from the fermentation process of traceable non-GMO soybean extract and Lactobacillus plantarum. This natural ingredient redesigns the skin. It thickens the skin and increases its elasticity. It also facilitates the process of skin rejuvenation, giving it a healthy-looking glow. Vitacell, an anti-aging active in the BASF Biotic Solutions offerings, is the probiotic lysate obtained from the purified cytosolic fraction of the microorganism Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It boosts skin metabolism, reduces wrinkles, recharges the cell's battery, and energizes dull and tired-looking skin. In addition to probiotics, prebiotics are also a trending claim among consumers in personal care. Prebiotics are substrates selectively utilized by its host or beneficial microorganisms, conferring a health benefit. They are, in short, food for the skin microflora. BASF Beauty Care Solutions identified and categorized beneficial microflora that contributes to different skin benefits: pro-defense, inflammation protection, anti-aging, and scalp health. BASF uses in vitro and in vivo testing approaches to demonstrate that these bioactives boost the growth of beneficial bacteria. Oligolen, a concentrated extract obtained from linseed, has a high amount of prebiotic oligosaccharide, which enhances the growth of beneficial bacteria. Results have shown improved skin firmness and moisture in vivo testing. Proteaceae, extracted from winter pea, offers a high anti-protease content that benefits the skin by improving skin elasticity on the chest, arms, and face, while also improving the skin's commensal microbial ecosystem. Other than anti-aging, BASF's prebiotic solutions also assist in anti-fatigue. The bioactive Hyaluronic Smooth, with its roots in traditional Ayurvedic medicine, interrupts the stress cycle, increasing hydration and noticeable radiance on the skin. Acting as the physical and microbiotic skin barrier protector, PhytoSoothe is a combination of natural phytosterols from purified rapeseed. These phytosterols act as a lipidic cement and maintain the required physical barrier function of the skin. It accelerates skin repair and enhances the growth of beneficial skin microbiota. BASF Solutions also benefits scalp health. Scalpocene, a scalp health recovery assistant, is a detox ritual for the scalp. It enhances the growth of beneficial scalp microbiota while reducing oiliness and soothing the scalp. BASF Beauty Care Solutions brings together the beneficial elements of probiotic and prebiotic offerings into one comprehensive Biotic Beauty package, delivering the best and most effective solutions for overall healthy and beautiful looking skin and scalp.